In this video, you will learn how to open zip files on Android. Zip files are used to compress multiple files into one. This makes it easier to share and store them. Sometimes, you may receive a zip file in an email or download one from the internet. But how do you access the files inside? Don't worry, I will guide you step by step. First things first, we need an app that can handle zip files. The best choice for this is the RAR app. To download it, start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar at the top, type in RAR. Once you've found it, tap on it, and then hit Install. Wait for it to download and install onto your device. Now that you have installed the RAR app, go ahead and open it up. The first time you launch the app, you'll be prompted to grant permission for file access. Make sure to allow all file access so that you can easily find and open your zip files. With permissions granted, it's time to locate your zip file. Browse through your storage. Often, downloaded files are found in the download folder. Once you're in your downloads folder, or wherever your zip file is saved, look for the specific file you want to open. Tap on the desired zip file to select it. If there are multiple files inside this archive that you'd like to extract simultaneously, you can easily select them all by tapping this icon, located at the top right corner of your screen. Next up is extracting these files. After selecting them, tap on this button here at the top of your screen to initiate the extraction process. You'll now see options asking where you'd like these extracted files to go. You can choose a specific folder or keep them in their current location, whichever suits you best. After choosing your preferred location, just tap OK to start extracting those files. Now that you've extracted your files successfully, it's time to access them. Open up your File Manager app, the one you usually use for browsing through your documents. And there you have it. You've learned how easy it is to open and extract zip files using just a few simple steps with the RAR app on Android. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.